It's like, dude, there's nothing new,
Yeah.
with this shit. It's like, I was just having a conversation the other day, because so many people are looking for that magic pill. And I'm like, dude, like the top in this industry are doing nothing different than the amateurs, those that are struggling. Yeah, I mean, there's no secret. There's nothing, but the difference is their level of consistency, but then their level of mastery of those things. So it's like, okay, like most agents will, just go out there and do a half-ass open house. Do an open, there's no, just because this listing was available, they do it, they go out, throw 6, 12 signs, and then they just bitch and moan that the open house wasn't effective. Now, we're both doing open houses. But how do I get, like, I even have agents in my own market, same cities, same days, everything's the same, and they'll bitch and moan because they only got 3 to 5 people through. I'm like, okay, well, we're averaging well over 25 people through an open house right now. And having massive, like, we're not doing an open house and not popping a deal. Like, it's just an
Yeah.
impossibility, right? But then from there, it's like, what is the difference? Okay, well, we chunk, like, this is divide and conquer, and this is what the pros do, right? So, they make sure that they have the right strategy, the right process, and the right skill set. So we start looking at this of, okay, number one, with an open house, I got property selection. Number two, I got pre-marketing. Number three, I got setup. Number four, I got, the sign-up process. Number five, I got the tour process. At the end of the tour, that exists to ask for the appointment. And then number six, if I can't get that appointment, then boom, I got the follow-up protocol. So it's chunking those down and making sure that we're executing at the highest possible level, mastering those at the highest possible level, and then mastering and acquiring the skill set, that's supported with those things. So that's one of the biggest, fallacies that, unsuccessful people have in this industry is they just assume, that's how they're just looking for that, getting that magic pill. They just, I haven't been able to crack. No, dude, it's like, again, none of that exists out there. There's no secrets. It's just that you are choosing to fucking put half-ass effort into an activity, and output always equals input. What
Well, the
you put
thing
into
is like
something
when
is
you
what you
say
get out of
50
it.
open house signs, like I only knew how to do open houses through you. I only knew to do mega. So like I don't work open houses anymore. My team doesn't. It's like, yeah, you gotta put 50 out. 50. It's like, dude, yes, it might take. I was like, I put 50 out in a suit in the summer. Like it is what it is. And then you're like, you gotta put out 50. And it's like, oh, I put out 6. I'm like, well, 6, you're just wasting your time.